What's up, guys? Blaze92585 here. Just went to the hobby shop and picked up 2007 Bowman draft picks and prospects, and we're gonna rip this and go through it real quick. See what we can pull out. Hopefully some autographs or something. Got this in there. 2 Alex Rodriguez cards inside. It's on the way to the home runs here. Number 429 and 443. It's their scouting report. Let's get to it. Michael Taylor on the Phillies. Don't even know who he is, though. Phil Hughes, rookie card. That's nice. Jared Parker, gold. First card. Huh. Danny Putnam, rookie card. Kyle Kendrick, Phillies pitcher. I like that. See Lich, Amelia, Ben Francisco on the Cleveland Indians, rookie card. Carlos Gonzalez. There you go, a little Hunter Pence rookie card. Matt Del Salvo. Sean Gallagher on the Chicago Cubs. It's always good. Nice to get the guy that's on the front of the pack there. Jared Burton. Matt Chico. Hate him. He's a pitcher for Washington. Jacob Ellsbury. And look at this. Little refractor there. Brandon Morrow on the Seattle Mariners. Number 2/299. Number 170 out of 299. Alright, we're gonna try and pronounce his name. Corey Castro. Barry Bonds, Bowman's Chrome. Dallas Braden. Leaks Pie. Okay. Jay Bruce. Mike Ribello. Mark Reynolds. Williams. Andy LaRoche, rookie card on Chrome. Matt Laporta. Java, rookie card. I guess that's a autograph. It's pretty sloppy looking there. Drew Bowman, first card. I don't know if that is an autograph or not. Maybe not. He just used a thick marker when he was going for it. Who knows? We're gonna have to find out, though, that's for sure. Chase Wright. Glenn Perkins. Continue to get cards of this guy. I hope he turns out to be a player. Escobar, rookie, Chrome. A All-Star Future Game Authentic Game Used Base of Elvis Andrus. Nice card. Numbered out of 135. This is number 38 out of 135. And Clay Buchholz in the back there. Brandon Wood, John Danks, Trevor Pippen, Brendan Ryan, Josh Horton, this one feels thick, Ryan Braun, big contract for Ryan Braun this year. Oh, I was over at the hobby shop and he said he got the legendary cuts in today, and there was, apparently it wasn't supposed to come out today, but like some people got it today. Carlos Gomez, Travis Buck, rookie, Dels Guerrero. Oh yeah, he's a good pitcher. First year card. He's definitely a good pitcher. I've heard of him. Homer Bailey. But yeah. Some people got the legendary cuts in if they got it directly from the distributor, or directly from Upper Deck, and the distributors aren't giving it to some of the hobby shops because it wasn't supposed to come out yet. Angel Sanchez rookie card, that's nice. Jimmy Hafner. Yeah, I'm liking this box, it's alright. I gotta hold on to these cards for a little while, see if any of these players amount to anything, you know. Second Trevor Pippen card I've got there. But yeah, keep an eye out on that legendary cuts ordeal. Fred Lewis, got an auto of him too. Tim Lincoln, hell of a pitcher. Matt Brown. Billy Butler, Tony Abreu, Justin Upton card, Dennis Dove. Amen. We're getting there. Probably say about 5-6 more packs. Justin Upton rookie card. I'd like to get an auto out of this. Don't think that card earlier was. Philly. Segovia. Don't know who that is. Alright. Getting towards the end here. Alright, Stokes. Saltamakia. Or Maven. Mulbridge. 4 more. Mistake pin. There. Max Ramirez. Okay, guys. Also, guys, keep a lookout. I might be thinking about doing a box break either in baseball or basketball. Possibly football. Most likely either baseball or basketball coming up. Alex Gordon rookie. Got to get some more people to subscribe to my page before I can really start doing that. But once I get some more subscribers, I'll definitely look into it and get some nice boxes, and we'll do it up. There's my autograph right there. Nick Hagedorn. Don't know who he is, but first year card for someone on the Red Sox, a pitcher, so you know, could be good. Could turn out alright. Second to last pack though, they really made me wait there. Another Angel Sanchez. Bowman's Chrome Jabba Chamberlain rookie card. I like that. And that's a wrap, fellas. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.